Hi, good day, Ma'am Casey. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Kaislyn Pasay Maghari. I am 35 years old. I am a single. I live at Antipolo City, Philippines. And I'm a single, but I have a live-in partner. I have four kids, 18 years old, 17 years old, 10 and 5 years old.
Alright, so do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have five sisters, and I am the third in the family.
Okay, so can you please tell me your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate with diploma.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I'm a trustworthy, kind, honest, and loving person in the children.
Okay, so may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to work abroad again because I want to supporting my families and supporting schooling my children.
Okay, so do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have a work experience abroad as a housemaid in Saudi Arabia for 5 years.
Alright, so did you finish your contract there?
Yes, I finished a contract.
Okay, so as you mentioned, you've already have a work experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for almost 5 years. Can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
My responsibilities in Saudi, and I serve the family and young girl, 15 years old, young boy 11 and 5 years old, and I serve the cooking, cleaning, vacuuming, and mopping.
Alright, so are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay, so how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
Play with them and talk to them in the nice way.
Okay, so how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I'll check at feeding if hungry, and I'll check the diaper or dirty.
Alright, so what will you do if you become homesick?
I'm a focus in the work, make me busy and make to finish contract.
Alright, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, I'm scared,
Alright,
but
are you willing to take care of pets?
yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Alright, so how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook I know how to cook like adobo, menudo, sinigang.
Alright, so are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to learn your dishes abroad.
Alright, so do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am, I eat everything.
Okay, so do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No,
How about smoking?
no.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, I have I have a tattoo at the back.
Alright. Okay, so do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
I have a cesarean way back 2024, and surgery in appendicitis way back 2010.
Alright. So are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Kaislyn, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
I hope you choose me, ma'am and sir, because I'm trustworthy, hardworking, I'm a kind person, and a loving family and children. Thank you.